gotta be kidding me! You gotta be kidding me! Jesus Christ! I can't believe it!
My friend John's mad because the local Subaru dealer just quoted him $400 to replace some burnt out headlight bulbs in the Subaru Outback. So if you've got a 2009 and 2014 Subaru Outback, I'm going to show you how to replace the bulbs yourself and save a whole bunch of money. Alright, so for the first step here in replacing the bulbs, annoyingly you can't actually replace or get to the bulbs from under the hood. You're going to access it from inside the tire well here. So first thing you're going to do is turn your tire inward. So if you're on the passenger side, turn all the way passenger, and if you're on the driver's side, turn all the way driver. Alrighty, so now you got your tire turned in. You're going to need to remove the plastic clips that are holding your inner plastic fender well. So there's going to be 4 of them. One is located at the very bottom there. The next one's going to be located there. Next is going to be inboard right there. And the 4th one right there. I should have had to remove that with a flathead. Alrighty, so this is the bottom clip. You can use a flathead to kind of just pry out the bottom piece like this. And you don't need to pull it out all the way. Once you have that piece out, it'll just literally pull out. Like so. All right, so for clip number 2, she's a stubborn one, that's for sure. All right, 3rd one, we're just gonna go ahead and sorry for getting in the way here, but and then the 4th one. Got her. All right, so now that you got your 4 clips out, you can now reach in and literally peel your inner fender well out like this. So now you got your fender liner pushed in and out of the way, you can actually look in here and see. All right, so here we are inside your bumper, and this round thing right there, that's your access door to your headlight bulb. So you're gonna go ahead and grab it. All right, I'm just going to point at it. See that right there? Grab it by that small piece and rotate counterclockwise. And then pull backwards. There you go. All right, so now you've got your access door off. You'll see this is the plug, and there's your bulb. So go ahead and grab the plug and wiggle her off slightly or gently. Like so. All right, so now you got your bulb here, and it's held in by this little spring retainer. And the way you get the spring retainer off is you press on the left side there, and the motion is literally press, swoop under and over, kind of like a safety pin. So let me see if I can do this with it in view. Sorry for the horrible angles, but you're gonna press in, sweep under, and it literally just opens up, and your bulb will pop right out. Now take note, let me see if I can get this. Take note how the bulb is indexed in the socket there. There's a key. There it is. Notice where my pinky is. There's actually a key to index the bulb in the correct orientation in these headlamp assemblies. So just take note when you plug in or when you mount the new bulb, that little key slips right into that keyway. So it orients and indexes in the right way. And pull out the burnt out bulb. All right, here's your old bulb. Here are the new bulbs. Sylvania, an H7 bulb. So go ahead and take these out. All right, so before you go and climb back into the car, it's always good to make sure that you did in fact get the correct bulb. These look about the same. It's always good to, one, wear gloves. Try not to touch the bulb. It's good not to, it's good practice not to get any of your finger grease in these things because that'll shorten the life of these things. So All right, back to the car. We got our new bulb. We're gonna go ahead and snake our hand right back in there. And remember, take note of that tab on the bulb and the keyway on the headlight assembly, and we're gonna go ahead and insert it. So as you see, the bulb is in there. Notice that it is properly indexed in there. We're gonna take the spring clip, swing her back over. All right, so bulb is in there, properly retained. We're gonna take the plug and plug it back in. All right, now before we start putting stuff together, let's go turn on the headlight and make sure everything is working. All right, well, it looks like that bulb does in fact work, so we can go ahead and put everything right back together. So the trick here is, remember when it was installed, it was oriented like this. Now that open lock writing will end up upwards and you rotate it counterclockwise about a quarter turn and then pull back. So it'll help to remember, you will put that back in like that and rotate a quarter turn back to lock it back into place. All right, so I didn't get a shot of it, but that's what it'll look like when you put your access door back on the back of the headlight assembly. So at this point, it is the reverse of everything you just did to get to this point. Remember, it's 4 plastic clips to put your liner back on. And you should always replace your headlight bulbs in pairs. So go ahead and repeat this procedure on the other side, and you'll be on your way. All right, so there you have it. That's how you replace the bulbs on your Subaru Outback. And John, we saved you a whole bunch of money.
I'll say, I'm telling you, $400 for replacing light bulbs these days, that ain't the right way to do it. Bring your car in and let Josh do it.
No, I'm not going to do it. Do it yourself and learn something. And thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks. All right, one more?
All right, one more. And begin.
Jesus, I cannot f***ing believe that. God damn it, $400? Are you f***ing kidding me?
I'm sorry. One more. I cracked up on that one. I'm sorry, John. That was good. I just laughed.
You sound like a movie character. Like you sound like straight out of a Chevy Chase film or something. You're like,
Don't break your steering wheel.
yeah. You can hit it a little bit later.